Let's add to this the last part, which is the decimals. Here, as we see, there is a number that has a decimal point. Let's just reveal this and do the same thing over here. We need first to read this number. This is the first thing that we need to read. Please try to pause the video, read the number, then after you think about it, continue watching. All right, here as we see, it is 3,000. Now, forget about the decimal point and what's after it. As if they're not here, as if they're not there. All right, I'm gonna make them here. I'm gonna just hide them. Look, I'm gonna hide them just for now. All right, they do not want to hide. Come on, disappear. All right, disappeared. Okay, so what's this number? Now I've just hidden the decimal point and the digits after the decimal point as well. So it's just 3,000, yes, 416. Great, that's it. 3,416. All right, Mr. Ahmed, but what about these digits that you've just hidden? Great, all right, 3,416.283. 3,416.283. There is another way to read this that we're going to take in a minute. Or actually, we're going to take in a different lesson. So here, 3,416.283, we need to find the place and the value of all these digits. The same thing that we've done when we ignored the decimal point and what's after it, we're going to do it right now here. As if this is not there. What is the place of the 6? As if this is not there. So don't say, please that, Mr. 3 is the units. No, we have a decimal point and some digits after the decimal point. We need to hide them. Please. The first digit is here. This is the first digit. So the first digit before the decimal point, which is the 6, is going to be our units here, is going to be the units. Please, guys, you need to study this and remind yourself of it. So here we have the units is the 6. We have the 1, which is the tens. Oh, this is the same exactly like what we've done there in the previous page. The 4 is going to be the hundreds. And the 3 is going to be the thousands. Okay. What about after the decimal point, Mr. Ahmed? Is this the hundreds or this is the units? No, it's neither. So what is this? Guys, always remember the first digit after the decimal point is always in the 10th, TH, 10th place. 10th place, as you see over here. It ends with THS, not just an S. So it's the 10th place. And then the 8 is going to continue here, 10ths, so hundredths. Here we have the hundredths place. And what comes next is the thousandths place, all right? There is a TH. I stress on the TH. When you read it, you can just read normally thousandths, but I just stress on it to emphasize the existence of the TH. All right, so 3 is the thousandths. The value of each digit, what is the value of the 3? 8, 2, and 6. Well, all right, let's just focus here on the whole number, 3,416 first. We agreed 6 units is just going to be 6, or just 6 units. 1 tens is just going to be a 10, or you can call it 110. 400, 4 in the hundreds place is just a 400. Or as we agreed before, it can be 400s or 40 tens. And here 3 is 3,000. And as we agreed before, 3,000, I didn't write anything else. 3,000s, it can be 3,000s or 30 hundreds or 300 tens. All right, what about after the decimal point? 2 tenths. What is the meaning of 2/10? 2/10, you can write it in words, 2/10, or you can write it as a decimal. So 2/10 in words, you can write it as a decimal or as a fraction. 2/10 means the first 0.2, or as a fraction, 2/10 is just a 2/10. 8/100 can be written this way in the value 8/100, or 0.08. It's the second digit after the decimal point. The second digit after the decimal point is 8, so it's 8/100, 0.08. Or 8/100 as a fraction is just 8/100. The last digit that we have over here, which is the third digit after the decimal point, is called the thousandths. So it's 3/1000. 3/1000 is in decimals 0.003. 0.003, because it's the third digit after the decimal point, or as a fraction, 3/1000 is 3/1000. This is almost everything that you need to know about places of all the digits in whole numbers and decimals, and the value of also the digits in whole numbers and decimals. Thank you so much, year 6, and see you very soon, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.